Oppo announced the Reno 11 and Reno 11 Pro mid-rangers for the Chinese market back in November, and now it looks like the company is getting ready to unveil their global counterparts. According to a usually reliable tipster over on X, the launch for India and global markets could take place on January 11th, which, might we add, would be very fitting. Reno 11, January 11th, get it? The international Reno 11 is rumored to sport the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC, a slightly changed camera bump compared to its Chinese counterpart, and support for 67W Super VOOC fast wired charging. On the other hand, the international Reno 11 Pro is said to either employ the Dimensity 8200 or the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, with 80W Super VOOC fast wired charging in tow. Both should have a 32MP telephoto 2x optical zoom camera on the back, just like their Chinese cousins. Oppo's Malaysian arm is already teasing the duo with a sale start date of, you guessed it, January 11th. The Chinese Reno 11 comes with a 6.7-inch 1080 by 2412 120Hz OLED screen, the Dimensity 8200 SoC, 8/12GB of RAM, 256/512GB of storage, a 50MP main camera with OIS, an 8MP ultrawide, the aforementioned 32MP telephoto, a 32MP selfie snapper, and a 4800 mAh battery. The Chinese Reno 11 Pro has a slightly larger 6.74-inch display with 1240 by 2772 resolution, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 at the helm, a slightly wider main camera, 24mm versus 26mm, with multi-directional PDAF, and a 4700 mAh battery, otherwise being identical to its non-Pro sibling. Make sure you take these specs with a pinch of salt with regards to the international models, since Oppo does sometimes like to change things around between its Chinese phones and the ones sold globally.